Ever ordered something online with sky-high expectations, only to have it crash and burn upon arrival? Yeah, me too. The struggle of returns is real, especially when it comes to that waiting game for that sweet, sweet refund. But what if you made that purchase using your Monese account? How long does it actually take to get your money back? Fear not, frustrated friends, because today we're diving deep into the murky waters of Monese refund timelines. Now, before we unpack the nitty-gritty, let's establish a little context. There are two main types of refunds you might encounter with Monese. Refunds initiated by you, for purchases you made using your Monese card. Refunds initiated by the merchant themselves, perhaps for a canceled order or a faulty product return. For both scenarios, it's important to remember that Monese themselves aren't directly responsible for the refund speed. They can only process it once the merchant has sent the money back. That said, Monese does play a role in how quickly the refund shows up in your account once it's been initiated. Alright, buckle up folks, because here's where things get interesting. Refunds initiated by you, the merchant Monese. So you've bravely contacted the merchant, explained your situation with eloquence and grace, hopefully, and secured that refund. Now what? Well, for this type of refund, Monese is essentially waiting on the merchant to return your funds. The time frame for this can vary wildly depending on the merchant's own refund processing policies. Some stores are Speedy Gonzales, whizzing your money back within a couple of days. Others take their sweet time, leaving you checking your account balance like a hawk. The general ballpark figure for merchant-initiated refunds seems to be around 5 to 10 working days. But remember, this is just an estimate. Some refunds might zip through in a flash, while others might take a leisurely stroll. Here's the golden rule: don't panic if your refund isn't there after a few days. Give it some time, but if it's been over 2 weeks and you're still staring at an empty space in your account, it's definitely time to reach out to both Monese and the merchant for an update. Refunds initiated by the merchant, the Monese magic, hopefully. Now, let's say the tables are turned. The merchant themselves decides to issue you a refund, perhaps for a canceled order or a return. In this case, things get a little smoother on the Monese side. According to Monese terms and conditions, they should process and credit your account with the refund within 10 working days of receiving it from the merchant. This sounds pretty straightforward, right? But remember, there's always a chance for a hitch. For instance, if there are any complications with the refund information from the merchant's end, it might take Monese a little longer to sort things out. Additionally, if they need any extra info from you to verify the refund, that 10-day window might start ticking again once you provide it. The key takeaway here is clear communication. If you see a significant delay in your refund appearing, get in touch with Monese customer support to see if there are any outstanding issues on their end. Pro tips for speedy refunds. Alright, so we've established that Monese refund times can be a bit of a guessing game. But fear not, intrepid refund warriors. Here are some pro tips to help expedite the process. Be the refund ninja. When contacting the merchant about a return or cancellation, be clear, concise, and polite. The smoother the communication, the faster they're likely to process your refund. Keep those receipts. Receipts are your refund BFFs. Make sure to hold onto them, physical or digital, until the refund is safely nestled in your account. Monese mavens, don't be shy about reaching out to Monese customer support if your refund seems stuck in limbo. They can check the status and see if there are any roadblocks on their end. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.